Hello. The front desk told me to ask you for sightseeing advice.
Of course. I'd be more than happy to help. I am, after all, the hotel's concierge.
Concierge? What exactly is that?
We advise you on where to visit, eat, or shop during your stay here in New York.
Great. So where should I start my sightseeing?
The Statue of Liberty is always a good place to begin.
Well, I saw the Statue of Liberty on my last visit here. Can you recommend somewhere else?
What type of interest do you have?
In my spare time, I really like to view art and go running.
Aha! Have you been to Central Park or the Museum of Modern Art?
No, but I've heard a lot about both.
Well, Central Park is wonderful for running. Afterwards, you should head to the museum to enjoy the art.
Great. That sounds like a plan. Thanks a lot.
I'm sure you'll have a good time.